arts or humanities, least preferred but offbeat and exciting. Namaste all, I am Srividya Subramaniam. Today we are going to see the future if you take up arts in 11th and 12th standard. Though this stream is least preferred, but it offers some exciting and interesting career options. All this time, arts was looked down from the rest two streams, but it is finally changing for good. With great number of choices to study, arts offers a wide range of options that are no less in comparison to science and commerce. Students can study sociology, history, literature, philosophy, psychology, economics, and so on. The career scope of arts is diverse. You can further specialize in a field of your choice based on the subject you will be taking in your 12th standard, or you can start a career in teaching, writing, journalism, psychology, literature, fine arts, political science, economics, etc. Nowadays, arts or humanities are in high demand and more students are opting for it. Arts is now emerging as a sought after the career choice. It provides students with an array of career opportunities. It offers many lucrative career options such as journalism, languages, history, psychology, etc. Design, language, arts, performing arts, humanities are well-paid career jobs. So art subject, it encourages students in creativity and in self-expression. Who want to take up arts should develop the critical thinking. It also helps you to increase your leadership qualities. They say that art teaches you to deal with the world around you. Now, who should take up arts? See, if you are a student who have creativity and if you want to dive deep into the humanity, then arts is best for you. There are multiple options available. If you have any confusion, you can get your career counseling done from us. We will provide you with a proper career guidance and guide you in the right direction. There are some of the entrance examinations after 12th standard for art stream. That is, entrance exam for fashion designing. There are several UG courses available in the fashion designing. Once you complete the course in fashion designing, you can choose to become a fashion designer or a merchandiser. There is an examination called NIFT, National Level Fashion Designing Entrance Exam. On the basis of it, students get admission into the designing institute of their choice. Next comes as Hotel Management Entrance Examination. This is also called as NCHMJEE, National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology Joint Entrance Examination. This is a national level hotel management entrance exam which is conducted by the National Testing Agency called NTA for admission to BSc course in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, that is BSc HHA. Some colleges conduct specific exams while some national levels and are also available on the basis of which hotel management institution give admissions to the candidates. Next is Agriculture Entrance Examination. See, it is conducted to offer admissions in UG and PG courses. Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ICAR, organizes the All India Entrance Examination for admission. We call it as AIEEA. Agriculture is emerging stream among the youngsters to make a successful career. So many universities are offering courses in agriculture in which students can get admission by clearing the national level or state level or university specific agriculture entrance examination. One more entrance examination is an architecture. See, students who are passionate in the process of planning, designing and constructing buildings and structures, then architecture can be the right field. You get admission into the college by cracking the specific architecture entrance examination. So those are, first as NATA, National Aptitude Test in Architecture. This is the national level entrance examination for admission to undergraduate course in architecture. Next is JEE Main. So these are the future if you take up arts in 11th and 12th standard. So there are other courses also available such as diploma, ITI, paramedical, which will be discussed in my next video. For further guidance or if you want to go through any career counseling, kindly contact us on suchinta1.19@gmail.com. Thank you, students.